Hey, welcome YouTubers. This is Professor Vector. I'm Ed March, and I'm going to show you some 3D lettering that I have learned from the scroll saw people. Not only do I have a 3D printer, I have a scroll saw, and I haven't seen too many people doing this with 3D printing. It's really pretty neat. So, once again, we're going to use ViaCAD. Okay, so ViaCAD PunchCAD software version 12, and it's available for under $200 for those of you that don't want to spend the expensive AutoCAD subscription. I think subscription software is a ripoff. So that's what I'll be using here. Alright, let's open up ViaCAD, go into select the horizontal font, hit the inspector, and we're choosing an impact font, which looks pretty good. But I'll try an Open Sans face, which is bold. I'll try that. We'll go over here and type in love, L-O-V-E, and hit return. Oops, we're still in our font. Let's backspace out of there and type in peace. P-E-A-C-E. Hit return, hit F2. Come on, why are you taking those letters as the font here? Undo that. Let's extrude this with a Shift E, 1 inch should be good. And we have half of it extruded. Let's extrude the other half here. Go to Shift E, hit return, and we have both of those. Now what we want to do is turn one of these 90 degrees to the other one. Okay, so at this point, this is a good point to save this as love piece, which we had. Replace that. And hit F2, take those and should hit F2 so we can get our red rotation and turn this so we can read it towards the top. It's a negative 32 degrees. We want to go exactly 90, negative 90 degrees. Okay. And then we want to hit U so that these are scaling on just that and make it about the same size. Okay, we'll hit D so we're looking from the front, and we'll go back into 2D mode and we'll get rid of the two-dimensional text. We'll delete this, yes. In 2D mode we'll go back to 3D mode, and there we are in 3D mode. So both of these are 3Ds. And we will put these on top of each other. Hit D so we're square to the screen. Pull this down a little bit and zoom it up, pull it down. Actually zoom out a bit, and we'll put this right on top of that. Then line this up somewhere about there. See how that looks. And now we will do the intersection. So this is our intersection here, right here, which is an equal sign. And we will pick we'll pick the first. Doesn't matter which one you pick first, but we'll pick the love. And you can see love is selected. Then we'll pick the piece. And there's the magic right there. So this reads peace, and this way it reads love. Now you can put a base on this pretty easily. Go here and make a box. And just make a thin little base. Move this over, widen it up, and make sure that the letters are synced into it. Save it. And you can slice this and 3D print this. Now this is going to take a while because this is several inches big. So we will save it. The Love Piece STL. Go into our Prusa slicer and load the STL file in inches, and there you have it. And notice it's 3 hours and 6 minutes to print it, but let's make it about 30% the size. And now it's a 16-minute print. Okay, and I'm going to show you some other things you can do with this. So we can go back into here. We can undo a few steps, get rid of our base, and take our letters and get them separated, and make a box here. And make it big enough to hold our letters. And take one of them, which is the one that reads on the front, and bring it into there. Let's view this as a so we can see all the angles of this. And we'll move this up a little bit so it's cutting into it. Click on this view and let's rotate this a little bit. Piece is upside down, but that's okay. And then we'll subtract. So we'll take the box, we'll subtract the box, we'll subtract the letters from the box, and we have a nice hole in that. And then we'll take our love and move it right along the top. And drop that in a little bit so it's a little bit cut a little deeper. Again, subtract the love from the box. And let's go into one big view. Notice that's a bug in BioCAD, so if we minimize our window and then go maximize our window, that usually fixes it. Maybe we have to move things around a bit. So let's see, let's view this. Let's do an S and a D, and then rotate this a little bit. So that's another 3D object we can save this as. Love piece number 2. Go in here and add that to it. Slice this guy. And again, this is a 7-hour print, but if we scale him about maybe 25%, now the whole thing will print in 46 minutes. So that's some tips. And remember, if you find this helpful, help me help you by subscribe, like, and ring the bell so you get notifications on new videos. Thank you.